All right, guys. So, first of all, obviously, we still have technically a no news day today. Just orange folder news, so nothing too crazy. Day before FOMC meeting minutes. I do see a decent setup forming here. I'm just wanting to be patient on it because we're trading back into a 15-minute, what was a bearish fair value gap that technically still has yet to be inverted. So just waiting a little bit here. We're in the macro, 4 minutes or so before silver bullet hour. However, we are trading up from a 4-hour and 1-hour bullish fair value gap. Kind of in between some PD arrays. This is opening range gap consequent encroachment. If I turn on regular trading hours, I'll show you guys trading right up into that opening range gap. So, you know, I'm not totally convinced. That's why I'm not like longing right now. These 1 minute, like this 1 minute fair value gap, we inverted this 1 minute gap. There's no SMT at the low though. So if I zoom out here, let me put regular trading hours or electronic trading hours back on. So reset. No SMT at these lows. Oh, I take it back. There is SMT at the lows. How the hell I missed that? Don't fucking ask me. But I missed it. Guys, I might try a long right now, to be honest. I just hop in with one.
Order filled.
So I'm trying a long right now, guys, on this 150K TopStepX account. Reasons for the trade. I'm sorry this was quick. I didn't notice the SMT at the low here. That was why I was waiting and not wanting to take anything. But now that we have SMT there, so what we've seen here, SMT at the low, reaction from New York opening price, 4-hour and 1-hour bullish fair value gap, inverting this bearish gap inside of now a bullish gap. So displacement through this high, wanting to see this now start holding and turn into a market maker buy model up to the original consolidation up here. London highs, relative equal highs right here. So that would be ideal. Sorry that was quick though. I didn't see the SMT at the low. That was why I was sitting on my hands. Let me yeah, we are, as far as this, this is all the way traded down to -4 standard deviation. So we'll see. Obviously, if we end up being just really bearish today, that'd be one thing. But so far here in the early going, I would say we're looking to be forming bullish PD arrays here. But let me know if you guys have any questions. Do want to give this room to pull back, obviously, into potentially OTE of this range, which is why my stop is down here. One contract is plenty of risk on this trade. Yeah, this swing high to me looks like a good area to remove risk. If we run that, there is more imbalance up here. So, you know, if we were to run that and be running into this last order block as well, if price were to come back, probably not the best probability, so I'll probably look to remove my risk up here above this high. And by the forming of this 5-minute candle with like, obviously if we do get up there, this should form a 5-minute order block, so we should be protected by that. Entry still below 50% of it. Do you factor in the VWAP? No, I don't look at the VWAP personally. Is it forgive me if I butcher your name. Kajerald? Kajerald? I probably just totally messed that up. But no, yeah, I don't really factor in VWAP. I mean, I guess as an ICT trader, all those indicators are kind of, just call you KJ. That's easier. Yeah, no, I don't factor that stuff in. I mean, obviously, if you got the draw on liquidity correct, right? If you know where price is or you got a good idea where price is headed, where it's drawing towards. You know, I think one of my favorite things he's ever said is any strategy works if you know where we're drawing toward, right? What liquidity level, what imbalance, which is very true, right? It doesn't matter if you're using EMAs, VWAPs, fair value gaps. It all will work. Oh, I guess the other confluence I didn't mention. I didn't notice it because of the SMT. This is a breaker. This got traded through the low on ES, so this is a breaker. We got a lot of confluences for this trade. This is a good trade. I'm happy with this. Win or lose, I like this trade. And yeah, it really has all the makings of a perfect market maker buy model. Original consolidation, clear and obvious, right? Engineering buy side liquidity all the way down. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Looks good, guys. I like it. Why? What's VWAP? We're probably trading back into VWAP here soon, aren't we? I would assume VWAP's above price. If I had to guess. I think I have it saved though. On one of my, just for shits and giggles, I have it saved on my indicator chart list. Where the hell is it? Volume weighted average price. Let's see. Oh, we just flipped it. Nice. There you go. More more confirmation. There you go. As long as there's no inefficiencies at our entry, we could probably look to start taking our risk off now, to be honest. We would just take, we generated some more buy side here. We're taking that out now. There's no really reason for price to come back. Unless there's an inefficiency that I'm missing, but I don't see any. I think we're good. All right, we've already traded through this one, so redelivery to it really wouldn't be ideal. New 30-minute candle coming here in 4 minutes. I'm going to do it, guys. I'm going to put my stop loss at my entry. I really don't want to see price come back anymore. Some could argue that it's a little tight, but I just don't see a reason to come back. Truthfully. I want to see it accelerate through there. As soon as we take this high, though, I'm going to get in a cup of Joe. There we go. Above the high there. All right, man. So, like, if price comes back at this point to my entry, like, I'm happy getting out of the trade at break even. I'm cool with that. Like, I don't really want to be in the trade anymore anyway if that happens. This is 30 minutes about to close. We'll see what we do going into the new 30-minute candle. I don't know why this time is off. No, New York. Going into 10:30, quarter four of the AM session as well. So, yeah, man. In a 1 hour, we're trading into a 1 hour bearish gap now. So, like, if this comes down fast, like, this shit's probably going lower. To be honest, like, so it is what it is. I'm gonna go get a refill of my coffee. We're hitting 8:30 open as well, looks like. Nice. Do me a favor, guys. Give this thing some good mojo to go higher. All right? But BRB, if you guys want me to put in a coffee order for you, just hit my line. You guys got my number. But don't touch that dial. I'll be right back. Ayo. Daddy's back. Oh, here we go, baby. Come on. Big money, big money, big money. Looking good, guys. We're all looking good, right? Knock on wood here. ES hitting New York midnight. Okay. If you guys took more than one, by the way, if you guys took more than one contract, I did not. If you did take more than one and you want a partial, now is a great time to partial, I would say. Just for the record. This would have been this stop loss, this would have been too big for me. I would have been, in my opinion, over leveraging the account. So I just did one, but if anybody else was naughtier and did 2 or more, pay yourself. All right, take a little something off. It's a good move. Looking good. If ES, obviously ES could beat NQ to the high here. Usually my rule of thumb is I just take like whatever indice wins to the high that I'm trading to. That's usually where I take it off, just because that's SMT, right? And I've had times where I'm trying to be stubborn and hold both of them. Or, if I'm in the other one, I'm trying to hold it to that high, and sometimes it doesn't get there. And then you end up giving back all your gains. When in reality, the target you were aiming for did get hit, just didn't get hit on, the indice that you were looking for. And sometimes that means you make less, but it don't fucking matter. Like, a win is a win. So I'm not going to sit here and fucking risk giving back everything, make nothing, just because I'm feeling greedy. Like, to me, doing it this way is good trading. It's objective. It's logical. There's no emotion involved. It's like, hey, do we get there? Yes or no? Okay, yes. Boom, close it. Okay. ES is taking it out, so it's not as great a risk reward as we wanted, but it's a win. It's a win. It is what it is. I took it off. You guys can hold it if you want. It is SMT now. With this high, we didn't really trade. Oh, we just traded right to it, not through it. You could probably, I'm not gonna tell you guys what to do. At this point, objective's been hit. I closed my trade, so. But it's up to you if you want to keep holding through all of this. Job well done. Job well done, in my opinion. Wouldn't have minded making more than 637 bucks, but that's the way she went today. Well, we'll keep watching this, though. I want to see obviously what happens from here. I don't really have the exact data for that, but I do like watching to see, like, if I could have held. If not, looks like I could have. Classic. But hey, that's a greedy mindset. We don't fucking fuck with that around here. There you guys go. Guys, all I had to do was hold it for 2 more minutes. Why don't you tell me? I'm just kidding. JK LOL. Good trade. Looks like our green streak continues. We'll take it. So enjoy your guys' Tuesday. If you guys need anything, as always, reach out. If you are continuing to trade today, be safe. But I would approach with caution and not be greedy. This is more than enough. If you do something like this every single day and nothing more for the rest of your trading career, this is more than enough. So enjoy your Tuesday, guys, and I will see you guys on the session tomorrow morning. Peace out, everybody.